Good morning, middle schoolers. This is Miss Swanson, and I will be hosting today's virtual assembly. Here are the house challenge points from last week. Houses Fuego and Tierra tied last week in our deck of card challenge. 6th graders Sophia U and Adrian J were able to blow off every single card off of their platform while only leaving the joker card. Great work, Sophia and Adrian. We also had a trivia question challenge presented by 8th grader Sophia W. Those students and advisors that responded and posted their house name received an extra 5 points. Fuego, Tierra, and Viento all tied by receiving 10 extra points for their houses. Great job, middle schoolers. Here are the announcements for this week. ASM's Virtual Science Fair will happen on May 27th from 5 to 6:30 p.m. This is a community event where anyone can watch the live stream of the finalists presenting their projects to a panel of judges, and you vote from home for your favorite project. You get to decide which scientist will win fabulous prizes and be crowned top scientist of ASM. Links will be provided soon, but plan on joining us for the first ever ASM Virtual Science Fair. Ooh, Mr. Askins. Sounds like American Idol or The Voice, but with a science twist. Can't wait to see what the 8th graders have been working on. Wait, what is that? Do you guys hear that? Hold on, guys. Let me check Google Hangouts to see who that is.
Everyone. Good morning, middle school. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, and here are a few important announcements. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to all the middle school students. We are very proud of you. You have been working hard, and your teachers are pleased with your progress. We know that it has not been easy for some of you, and I want to encourage all of you to stay focused and motivated and keep working hard. Your efforts will pay off in the long run. Remember that hard times always lead to greatness. Hey everyone, class registration is on our minds. This is the time of year when we sign up for classes for the next school year. For example, yesterday our 8th graders signed up for their high school classes. Now grade 6 and 7, it's your turn. Last week I sent an email to your parents with all the information. In that email, I sent a booklet that describes all of your classes, as well as our new online registration form. So here's what you do, grade 6 and 7. First of all, you need to talk to your parents. Of course, because they have the email. You don't have it, they have it. In that email is the form, as well as the booklet, as I just mentioned. Now, here's an important thing to remember, grade 6 and grade 7. You have to access the form through your ASM Google account. Not your parents. You have to do that yourself. And then once you complete the form, submit the form. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or even to Mr. O'Brien. Hey everyone, did you hear the news? This Friday, May 15th, is a holiday. There's no school. So stay home and stay home. Some of you have been asking about the end of the school year. We still have many weeks of school left, but you want to know things like, what about my lockers? What about our things that we have to return, our library books? What about? Well, soon I'm going to send to all of you a special note about the end of the school year and what that's going to look like. Don't worry, you'll get all of your things back that are inside your locker. We're just not sure how that's all going to work yet, but we'll let you know. Hey, grade 8, I know you've been asking questions about our moving up ceremony that we have each year for our 8th grade graduates. So, hey, grade 8, we're thinking about you, and we're wondering about what that moving up ceremony is going to look like. The teachers will be talking about it very soon, and we'll be letting you know about the plan for the moving up program. Who knows? It might be virtual. We might have other ideas. We'll let you know. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for middle school virtual assembly next Wednesday at the same time. Take care, everybody.
Hey, thanks, Mr. Nugent. It was so nice seeing you today and great taste in music. All right, guys, let's continue, shall we? This shout out is for 7th grader Daniel Sheth. Daniel has dedicated 2 hours of his day to clap for the healthcare workers on the front line during the COVID-19 pandemic. This performance was inspired by a man in London who had done this as a fundraiser for 24 hours. Daniel set an original goal of 1 hour and spread the word about it on his YouTube channel and Discord server. While clapping, he had running commentary about the situation we are in and different means of thinking about it. Once he neared his goal of 1 hour, he felt that it wasn't enough, so he increased it by 15 minutes and continued doing so until he reached a goal of 2 hours. Wow. During the times that he wasn't speaking, he spent praying for those on the front lines. With the support of his family, he was able to accomplish his goal by supporting others and raising awareness. Daniel wanted us to share this with all of his peers today in hopes that he could foster inspiration for others to join this movement, even if it is for only 5 minutes. If you do this, feel free to post it here on Google Classroom or on your personal media platform to keep this moving throughout our community. Daniel, I applaud you today. What a phenomenal way to show your appreciation for the work and sacrifices of others. Okay, today's trivia question is, what is a tornado's favorite game? Answer this trivia question in the comments section and provide which house you were part of. That's important. If you get the question right, then your house will receive extra points. Teachers, you can answer too to earn extra points for your house as well. All right, here's the moment that you have all been waiting for. This week's Minute to Win It challenge is an artistic challenge that was presented to us by 8th grader Helena F., titled Start with Love, a movement that began with deviant art. Artists not only have the ability to create, but also to inspire. Now, more than ever, it's important that we as a community do what we can to lift people's spirits. Take part in this week's challenge by submitting a poster, a video, a poem, or sing a song that promotes love in our community. These will then be shared next week during our assembly, and you will earn points for your house. Please check out the challenge document on Google Classroom for instructions on how to participate. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to check Google Classroom for the challenge document. Have a great day.